Newton Hills State Park is located in a narrow strip of rolling hills and forest created by glaciers. It's part of a larger geological formation called the Coteau des Prairies. The Coteau extends along the eastern border of South Dakota and into neighboring states. Newton Hills State Park covers more than 1,000 acres and is open year-round. 12 miles west of here, Interstate 29 cuts across the open prairie. Lake Lakota is popular with campers who want to go swimming, fishing, or boating. It is a short drive from the campground. Closer to the campground, there is a group lodge available to rent, several playgrounds, and a lookout tower. There's also plenty of hiking. A dark forest in an area surrounded by open prairie has led to tales of horse thieves, robbers' hideouts, and buried gold. Let's go check out the campsites. $80 right, $79 left. $81 right side. If you're new to our channel, this is what we normally do in our videos. After picking out bad campsites in the past, we decided to record videos of campgrounds to help others see what campsites look like before packing up their families and camping gear. New videos come out every Thursday. So far, we've recorded 250 campgrounds across Colorado, most of which are U.S. Forest Service and BLM campgrounds. We occasionally record campgrounds in other states as well. 90 left, 91 is going to be on the right, 92. '93 left side, it's a long one. 95 left, short one. We're right. Lawnmower on the left. 96. The red Mini. Alright, I'm going to go back to tent sites. 113 to 117. Back in the woods. They're pretty close together. 117 is in the center. Looking at 115 straight in front of me. Stop to adjust the camera as I look at 116. Alright, pulling away from 116. Circling the loop. Part of the trail system right here by the restrooms. Trash, extra parking, restrooms, water fountain. 97, right. 98, left. 99, right. $100 on the left. That looks like restrooms. 101, 102. All right, tent sites, 118 to 121, and some cabins. There's cabin number 9. Nice little cabin. $119, $120. Cabin number 3. Camera's still going. That's a good sign. Alright, the car backing out. That's 103. $104, right. 105 left. 106, right. Cabin number 2 and 107 on the right. 108. The black Dodge. 109. 110 left. 111 right. 112 left. Cabin number 7 left. Nice little playground on the right. All right. At the campground host. Amphitheater is going to be back in the woods there, down a path. Another restroom facility. I assume that's got showers. 23 right. 24 left. 26 right. 25 was left. And 27 to 38 was the left turn. 41 to 46 to the right. And I'm going to go for the 47 to 78. There's 47. 48 right. 49 left. 50 right. 52 right. 51 on the left. Cabin number 8 on the right. 54 right side. 53 left. These on the right side look like they're back up against the county road. Probably the least desirable ones that I've seen so far. 55 left. 56 and 58 on the right. Got 57 left side next to the water fountain. 60. It's gonna be this nice one on the right. Let me get a glimpse of this. No fire ring here. Oh, no, I lied. Fire ring's back down this path to the left. Get your picnic table and electrical hookups. Campsite back here. Still recording. Another restroom facility. It's a nice park. 61, left side. Followed by 62. An extra parking area across from 62. 63, left. 64 will be straight in front of us at the moment. Followed by 65. 66 and 67 on the left, across from the trash. Water fountain. 68, right side, short one. Most of these are short. You got 69 left. 71 left. 70 is on the right. 73 left. And 75 is the neighbor on the left. 72 and 74 on right side, close together. 77 left where the tent was. 76 and 78 right side. Here's another look at that one that I don't think I saw a number on. Alright, turning right at 27. $29 left, 28 right with the Jeep, 30 right, 31 left, 33 is going to be the Puma with the flags, 32 right, 34 right, 35 is across, 36 right, 37 left, and 38 down here at the end. Keep right. And that looped us back to 67. Pass these a second time. Just drove past the amphitheater, or one of the sets of signs for the amphitheater. Restrooms, amphitheater sign again. I think I'm getting close to the exit. Alright, not sure what we got down here. This will be new territory. Two, 136 left side, 3 is on the right. These look like they're the bigger ones for the bigger RVs. There's 135, 4 on the right, 5 on the right, 6 right, 7 was the big motorhome, 8 is on my right side. 12 and 14 on the right in that loop there. 14 was the 5th wheel. Another amphitheater sign. 16, 18, 19 on the right before the white truck. 15 was a shaded sign on the left. Right past 19 now. White truck. Catch a number on that, and looks like it's a turnaround. All right, 17. Treed in on 2 sides. Looping back past some stuff we've already seen. 15, right side. 13, right. 11 right. Red truck on the left was 10. 9 right. 8 and 6 on the left. 7 big motorhome. 5 left. 4 left. 3 left. And 2 left. Feels like maybe I've seen them all. It's a lot of campsites here. We went out and take a look at the dump station. Two places to dump and 4 places to fill up with water.